Okay, this hair is just everything. Everything. This is how it looked when I first got it from the package. I took it out. As you can see, it's kind of wavy. The ends are kind of wavy. I had to straighten it, blow it out a little bit, and straighten it some. And now here is how it looks, blended with my own natural hair. Their units are super pretty, but I was very interested in this straight upart wig. I've been loving upart wigs, especially because you get to blend your own natural hair with the hair unit. Everyone, miss me? I'm sure you did. For all of you who are new, hi, my name is Lizette. Welcome to our channel. If you've been watching me for a while, thank you so much for watching. Now today's video is a hair tutorial from a company called Megalook Wig. Make sure you check them out and let's get started. You got the headphones? All right, put them on. Okay, so again, this is the Megalook. That's the name of the hair company, Megalook. And this is their upart straight human hair wig, and it came in 16 inches. That's what I requested, 16 inches. And let me show you the packaging. The box was so super cute. It was pink, my favorite color. And it came with a bunch of hair accessories, clips, a nice brush for the edges. Like I would use a brush like that to do my baby hairs, and a few other things. So I thought that was so nice that they included all of that inside a cute pouch inside of the box, as well as a wig cap. So I won't be using a wig cap when doing this tutorial because this upart wig, it already has clips, like the clips that I like almost like hair extension clips that are sewn onto the wig. So that is great. I feel like I'm gonna get more security when it comes to actually pinning it down. And let me clip this lace part that's in the front here just to get it off. This hair, it looked like this when I got it, and then of course I straightened it, and I'm gonna blend it with my own natural hair, and I think it's going to look amazing. This hair is super soft. That is the first thing that I noticed once I started flat ironing it. It is so soft. I absolutely love when the hair is super soft. I'm going to need to, do this section of my hair. So let me do this section. I shampooed and conditioned this section of my hair. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to speed up most of this. I'm just going to blow dry and flat iron, and then come back when the hair is blow dried and flat iron, and finish up the rest of this tutorial and telling you guys about it. So let me blow dry this hair first. And then flat iron piece by piece. I usually flat iron in very tiny pieces. Matter of fact, let me just put a pinch of oil because my hair feels kind of dry, mostly towards the ends. Comb it out. And now I'm going to flat iron it in sections. Okay, so now you grab the hair. So soft, so pretty. I'm gonna undo the clips. There's 2 extension clips here, and then a 3rd one here, and then there's comb in the back as well as a strap. Let's see, this goes secure this side. I'm going to secure this side. Now, for the edges here, I'm going to just touch them a little bit with my hot comb. I have a hot comb. I'm going to use that just for the edges in the front here, because I wasn't really worried about that, or thinking about that rather, when I was doing the hair. And then let me pull the back with the comb underneath. I love this style because it's like a fast, easy, quick style, and your hair will look put together in minutes, which is what I love about upart wigs. If you're not good also with like closures and that kind of thing, then upart wigs I feel like are perfect for beginners, and it's perfect for on the go while still looking beautiful and put together. So I absolutely love that. You guys are probably going to be seeing this upart wig in a whole lot more videos coming up from me. So let me just get the front edges right here, just so all of it can look put together. I forgot to mention that I had the flat iron at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. So this hair does take heat very, very well, just in case you're wondering. Now let me blend my hair with this with the upart wig. See how it looks. Should I do a side part or a middle part? Probably do a middle part. I haven't done a middle part in a long time, but I do love side parts better. Do you like side parts more or middle parts? Let me know in the comment section down below. Now, I used to dye my hair once upon a time. A long time ago was the last time I dyed it. So my hair is like dark at the root and then like really kind of like in the middle towards the end it's light. So this doesn't really, like, my hair blends well with this hair, but kind of like not really. Like if you look really, really close you could see, but from afar I could pass. Everything, look, super shiny, super soft. I love it. All right, let me wrap up this video. I absolutely love this hair. It is super soft, super silky, super smooth. It blended very, very well with my own natural hair very nicely. So keep that in mind. This is a straight upart wig. So if you wear this upart wig, your hair is going to have to be straight. If you need some additional products to help blend, I did use the ORS Olive Oil Hold and Shine Wrap and Set Mousse. I feel like that helped with a lot of the flyaways that was on the hair, as well as blend my own natural hair with this hair. And I think it just looks amazing. I love the way it turned out, and I cannot wait to continue using it in future videos, which you guys will see here on my channel if you stick around, which I hope you do. So that is it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot, and I really do appreciate it. If you want to look and feel beautiful, know about the latest fashion trends, keep up with the beauty community news, me as well as my brand, the Lux Princess, and live a fun and healthy lifestyle, make sure you hit that right subscribe button and click that bell notification to be notified of when I upload. I do upload 3 days a week. Usually it's Wednesdays, Fridays, as well as Sundays. Make sure you check them out. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you very soon. Bye guys.